Welcome! In today's guide, we'll walk through how to enable chat and spaces notifications in Gmail so you never miss an important update or conversation. Whether it's messages from coworkers, friends, or group chats, these quick steps will make sure you're always in the loop. First, unlock your phone and open your settings. This is where all your app preferences and notification options live. Once you're there, scroll down until you find apps and give it a tap. This section lists every application installed on your device. Next, find Gmail in the list. You might have to scroll a bit if you have lots of apps, but once you see it, tap to open Gmail settings. Inside, you'll find several options. Things like permissions, storage, and notifications. Now, tap on notifications. This is the area that controls what alerts Gmail can send to your phone. You'll likely see several notification categories here, each one tied to a specific function inside Gmail. To focus on chat-related alerts, tap on notification categories. Here's where you'll see separate controls for different types of Gmail activity, including your emails, chats, and spaces. Look for chat and spaces in that list. Once you find it, simply toggle the switch to the on position. When the switch is enabled, Gmail can send you real-time notifications whenever someone sends you a new message or posts in a space. That's it. These quick steps ensure that you'll be instantly notified when messages arrive. No more missing updates or checking your inbox every few minutes. If you ever want to turn the notification off again, just return to the same place and toggle the switch back off. By keeping your chat and spaces notifications on, you'll stay connected, organized, and ready to respond when it matters most. Take a minute to set it up, and you'll notice how much smoother and more responsive your Gmail experience becomes. Thanks for watching.